Arrive in style with this Audi 2011 A3 2.0 TDI Premium Plus. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, front-wheel drive, rollover protection bars, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance and tires, rear performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.